Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream One if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. As you guys can see, I'm getting a very big present delivered, okay? Y'all, this is my DTF machine, and I'm going to just show you some behind the scenes of me getting prepared. It was a lot of preparation for it because it was kind of unexpected how everything happened, but we got it, and I had to try to figure out where it was going to go because it's huge, and you know all the things with DTF, and if you don't know, I will share those things with you. I needed a laptop because I have two Macs, and this actually needed a specific type of computer. I had to get that made. It was a lot that was going on. So some of this, it won't be every single thing, but it'll be just a nice little overview of what I had to do to try to get prepared for it because it was a doozy. So let me let y'all hear what's going on. You guys, I'm just so grateful. I do want to shout out Brooke from Heat Transfer Warehouse, or she used to be from Heat Transfer Warehouse, but shout out to Brooke, y'all.
The eagle has landed. It is officially on and popping. You guys, the eagle has landed. The truck is leaving. I don't even know what to say.
So if you've been watching me, you know I have been praying for a DTF machine literally for years, and I'm just so grateful to God to have it. My brother, this is my baby brother Daniel, and my dad, he did not help because he could not help, but my baby brother Daniel.
You need me to help? Oh, you need me to help you, Daniel, at the bottom? Oh, you strong. Man. Woo. You strong. Don't hurt your back or nothing, though. But you got it, though. He said he could.
As I was saying, my baby brother Daniel held it down, and then DJ, he's my baby brother too, but he's the older out of the two. He helped as well. So this was me. I actually had one live this night, so you guys can go back in the archives and you can see me going live because I was so excited. Y'all, I didn't know I needed a specific type of table. I needed my laptop. I needed so much I did not know, but I was just so excited. So if you see that live, you'll see what I'm saying. I'm unpacking, and I was like, oh Lord, this is a lot more than I thought it was, which it's okay because it happens like that. But everything was packaged nicely. Everything was cool. Like I said, you can see the live with me talking because I'm on live as I'm recording behind the scenes. Anywho, when you're starting DTF, you want to make sure that you have a place for it to be set up. You want a ventilated area. You want a table that can handle it because it is a printer, so it shakes back and forth. So my dad and my brother actually built me a table, and like I said, my cousin, he made me a computer. You don't have to go through all that, but you do need to make sure that your computer, the specs and everything are all right. So you need a space, you need a designated computer, you need a ventilated area, you need yeah, it's a lot of things that you need. So I didn't know a lot of this stuff, and I was learning along the way, so I'm just telling you guys so it'll be easier for you. So yeah, but I was excited, and as you can see, it's a long span of processes before my first print, but I do have my first DTF print. There's training, but this actual DTF print, I do have to shout out, from DTF Station. It's the Prestige R2. So mine is different than other people's, and mine is really, really nice, y'all. So as you watch, you'll see me talk about more and share more of my specific DTF printer. And if you guys are interested, from all of the stories I've heard from other people, I haven't had those issues, so I'm so grateful. So far, knock on wood, say a prayer, whatever you believe in, but um yeah, so I'm gonna take you on the journey what I've been doing so far. And yeah, I've been so lucky and so blessed with DTF Station. They've been amazing. So I'm grateful for this particular company. If you're interested in getting my particular one, let me know. The links will be down in the description. But anywho, I'm just unboxing everything. And like I said, you can watch the live to see exactly what I'm saying and doing here. So as I stated, my dad and my brother did make me a table. My dad is a master carpenter, and my brother has been trained as well with him, and I was just so grateful.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, DJ.
So yeah, so I'm telling them thank you. A lot of this stuff ended up being moved out, adding space, all the good things. But they literally built it from scratch. They're the bottom like that. I was so grateful. I didn't know what to do with myself. Look at me. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to go. But I know I wanted to get some of this footage. So my brother did go ahead and open the box without me recording. And I was like, are you kidding me? So you'll hear me in a second talking about that. But y'all know I'm always recording, and this is my Prestige R2. That's my brother walking by. I was just so excited and so happy. I didn't know what I was doing, but I was just happy to be here. Just so blessed to be here. So yeah, y'all, this is so exciting.
Tell me, he know I wanted to record that.
That's so dope.
And there you have it. Although my brother moved it, he didn't tell me he was putting it on there. Oh my goodness.
Oh, let's shout out this table real quick. Look how good that table looks. They did that.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Thank y'all so much.
You're welcome. No problem.
Okay, so we did that. Now I'm showing you some of the things that came in the package, the cleaning swabs. These are air filters, tons of things. I'll talk about some of these things later on because there's no point in going over it right now. In the back is the powder. They gave you alcohol for cleaning, DTF cleaning solution, which is super duper important. Then, of course, our pigment ink, right? So that was black. We have, we got to shake that white. If you know, you know, you got to shake that white. So I'll go over a couple other things that came as well. But these are things that you need for your DTF printer. And if you know anything about DTF, you know you have to shake the white. So I was shaking that white, y'all. And this was a reel you guys probably have seen. TikTok short, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to show you the first time I ever turned the machine on.
All right. First time that I'm turning it on.
I cut it off because it was making a noise, so I don't want to go into all of that. But this is the machine, you guys. Like I said, it's the Prestige R2. Y'all see those red lights? It was squealing, making this noise. Y'all did not want to hear that noise. So it was my first time. As you see, I have my video. I did go through training, which I'll show you that as well. And I believe I did the training first before I turned it on. So that part is a little out of order, but it's okay. Then I'm going to show you guys my size Mo 11, but I have a new one coming, y'all. So let's look at this one first. So my brother, once again, to the rescue, opening this up for me because I would not have even known where to start. And there it goes.
Brother. Cool.
So I am so grateful for him. Now here is the film. And you guys, it is on a roll. So it's a couple brackets, a couple things I have to put together for. So I'll show you that as well. But I'm just opening up the film and there it goes. I'm so happy. Now look at Maddie, her first time looking at the machine.
Maddie, look at me.
She's so proud of her mama. So now I'm putting everything together and getting those brackets together, opening up everything. And I'm just so excited.
And we are finally getting to the business.
Now there are some wonderful videos. Is everything. Oh, this is the heater real quick, y'all. So I do have the heater as well, but there are some wonderful videos that explain everything, step-by-step instructions. DTF Station is absolutely amazing with all the help and everything, getting you prepared and ready. I just have to shout them out because, baby, when I say they're amazing, they are absolutely amazing. Now I'm in my training. So here's my training that I'm in. And like I said, I think this was before that last video, but neither here nor there. So here's me getting my training on and making sure that I have everything all ready and prepared and that I know what I'm doing, because y'all know I was so scared of this machine, and I'm just so happy everything turned out right. I do have to shout out Aldwin. Aldwin was absolutely amazing for the training and for the help later on. This is my first print that I printed by myself without his help or anything, and you guys, look at this print, y'all. Baby, this was the first time I was doing it by myself. I am in love. Look at that white. This turned out so good. Everything is so good, y'all. So I did go ahead and cure this bad boy. This is, I think, the 16 by 20 Phoenix. Yep, 16 by 20 Phoenix Air. So I do have this as well as the size one, but like I said, I'm getting a new one.
All right, you got to make sure you don't touch it. First time I'm putting the powder on. Okay.
Now a couple things. I turned the oven on so that it could be hot by the time I need to cure it. But y'all, look at this. My powder was all bunched up. You do not want your powder like that. I actually have a video talking about a reel, TikTok, etc., talking about how you don't want it bunched up like that. You don't want those crumbles. You don't want those rocks, because that will mess the ink up. Luckily for this one, it didn't, but it can mess the ink up. So you want to make sure that everything is granulated and is nice and fine so that it can properly adhere. You also want to make sure you're using gloves. I did not have gloves on here, and a couple times I did not, but make sure you're using gloves. You want to be extremely safe. You want to wear a mask if you want to. That's something that you want to take into consideration, but you want to make sure there aren't any lumps. And yeah, so make sure that there aren't any lumps so you can have it great. Now look at that. It's on there, coated really, really good. The white looks good. The coating looks good. I went in here and cured it, and baby, the curing looked good too. Everything was good. So I went ahead and turned that on, and y'all go see the smoke. Once it's done, everything turned out really good. Look at that. Yes, that's what I'm saying. But you want to make sure, like I said, you're using a mask and that you're being safe with this, a respirator mask. And yeah, let's look at it.
You make sure it got that orange peel texture. And it does. I don't know if y'all could see it, but baby, this looks good. Popping 10. Yes, sir. Look at those colors. Ooh, wee! Popping 10. You do not touch it, but you make sure it has that orange peel texture. It look like an orange. And it got it. So this is going to be the first one I ever used. I could have probably put more powder on it, but it was my first time.
Y'all, I am happy with my first print that I did by myself. I'm happy with it. I'm going to show you when I went live.
My bad, y'all know I got to record everything.
So I went live and I pressed it for the first time where you guys saw it, but I'll do it here just so y'all can see it. So this is live on my YouTube as well, but this was the behind the scenes. You know, I'm always recording, okay?
Now,
So DTF, you print it, you press it twice. So I'm going to show you, that was my first press, and this actually is a universal peel. They said you can peel it warm or cool. So I'm going to show y'all my first peel ever.
first time ever peeling my first. DTF, y'all, I'm nervous. Oh. Oh, we did it. Oh, we did it. Ah, it looks so good. Oh, I'm so happy with it. I was nervous. It looks good, y'all. I'm going to hold it up. I'm going to press it again. Y'all, this looks so good. It's popping. Oh, sooky. Ooh, wee. That looks good. I'm going to hold it up so y'all can see it. I'm getting this footage for this good reel. All right, y'all. I pressed my first DTF that I did by myself. And baby, it looks good. Even the intricate pieces looks amazing. Y'all, this looks so good. I want that. But it looks super duper good. If y'all want to see me do it live, go to Do Dream on YouTube. And y'all can see me. We did it, baby. We did it. I also have some more that I'm going to print. Hold up. Look at that one for Maddie. And then this one too. So if you guys are new, I love giving behind the scene footage. So this was me printing the one out for my daughter Madison, and it printed out amazing as you guys saw. Made sure I powdered it, did all the things. You have to print it, powder it, cure it, then you could press it. Excuse me, I was a little ashy right there. I was scratching my arm. But yeah, y'all, so I hope you guys like the video. I am selling DTF transfers. You can email me, dodreamon3@gmail.com. I'm in love with this machine, y'all. The DTF Station Prestige R2 is absolutely amazing. If you guys are interested in getting a DTF, please use my link. I have it down below, but you can contact me or email me. I could give it to you again. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. I will be going over this journey and sharing this journey with you guys, and this is just the first video, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you're interested in it. I'll give you all the tips and the tea, the things that I learned that you should and should not do, and just follow me on my journey. And if you need some transfer, holla at me for that too. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram. Do Dream One is the handle. TikTok, Do Dream One is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.